What is up, guys? Welcome to day 12 of my 40 days fitness channel. Fitness challenge. Well, day 12, guys. Almost there, guys. Wow, the weather is awesome today. Like even better than jeans. So cold and it has a really fresh feeling. Last week was like a lot of smoke since it has a lot of fire going on. But now it's good. Let me test. Then I will start. When we have enough people, I will start talking. Woo! Dean is here. Salam, man. Salam. Voice is great. Nice. Since there's no sun, so I don't need my pants today. Yo, I cannot like run fast. I need to save my left foot again. I still not that good, but I can only move this big. If I do like that, I can't. My left foot can. I need to make it recover first. Whew. That's it. Skeptical other guys here, not. I need it. Why doesn't pop out on the chatting section? Maybe it takes time. Hold on a second, give me 1 second, guys.
Öylece sen hazır doktor handiki ciddi tutkuş üyden nefesle aran yetişiyordu kanımda neyce öyleyse öykünüse bulamadım uzun arzu kan hakiki ademdek öykünüse bulamadım hayatımın kuşalığı diş var durmuşum 90% düşkün tanım sak ruhum bimar öykünüse hazırgıça uzunla hakiki suyup bakmadan geçikten nefesim doktor bu dünyada hoşlaştım şimdi nakşine tegenen ötmüşüm ya ki kendisün tek bir çıkarıp takdirini kandak etmemiş üzerine okudu.
Now I can see your chat, guys. Now I can see the chat. Let's begin. Let's wait those guys today. I believe a skeptic, a mini, all gonna be here. So that time, then we will start talk. But now I just woke up, guys. Okay. How I can warm up and if my foot is like this? I mean, I need to move, right? Yo, how you doing, guys? Just wanna say hello to you guys first. Tap tap, Dean. Tap tap, the Dean. Alright, I'll start with Zap Crunch. Start with Zap Crunch. Yo, Huday Aşık, welcome. Huday Aşık, check my logo. I feel like you're somewhat correct, so I changed it. My logo. I made my final version. You can check out my Instagram. You can check YouTube, I think. Not YouTube. Where I post, I forgot. It's on my right fist now. I don't want to be close with anything with socialism, you know. I don't want to confuse people. What's your name on Discord? Are you 7 Grad or something like that? Are you that guy? Ugh. What's your name on Discord?
Yeah. What is real shit? Şencimiz olsa herkes usluplarımız çetkik kılmayız Doğru homie okay Drop the beat Gerekkin insana Bunda aksa hissiyatla Fıçırmaydı asla bizni göremem de yak Kulakları gidemem daha Teselli kıdap bıyım Hamın öz greydi ha Bazı ahlak naşlı çıksa pişim ağrıydı bilsen Olnu vatkan sana İşim ağrıydı bilsen Bu güzel şerimde arzuyum Şime tuttum
Last and left, guys.
Real xeyimsiz dostu diyolum ne ligime başlatma ilişpa Ağzından akşamda hınış budar Haydeden deldi bize işpa Uzunla gelmegen bu aksa hissiyat Haydeden gelgen de özümü tutalmay wow Şunçilik ergen oskun temden Başkası yapmaydı bıçılık belki Iskılatma kaytıp kendin yanına şunçilik temkin Başka da yana çıkışık dolup Yıldızını özümle kay tutunup Bu sefer haterlik sadik Kırmasan pide dokanıptan kay tutunup Sehada bu yıl Bu şerer kanı hıhlap bu yıl Gelgen de fırsatı kayırıp bu yıl Anlıcı ağzımga burnumga doyup Fuck
Yo, Skeptic is there. What's up? Mini is there. Nice, guys.
What's up? Depol vergen ağinem o Irak'ta Kaytıp gelgen tezrak yollarımda çırak ba Küllü öttü ben tez efsus görüşelmedik biz
Yeah, it is Doppa. Badam Doppa. It's called Badam Doppa. We have tons of Doppa hat. That's one of it. Yo, do you guys? I know everyone on our Discord, right? Everyone on our Discord in the chatting section. And if you guys all in this channel, you guys probably know the guy called Uyghur Astronaut, right? There's a guy called Uyghur Astronaut. For the first couple days, he was always here with Discuss, a lot of things, if you guys remember. And if you're in our Discord, there's a guy called Aliens, A-L-I-E-N-S, Aliens. That is Uyghur from China. He living China, living a homeless life. Since Uyghur cannot open a hotel in China, he living homeless on the street. But he gave a testimony. He made a video for us, guys, for us. He's a real hero. Yesterday, he sent his link to my Discord, and I was like, "Whoa, who's this?" And I opened it, and I saw everything. I saw like there's only like 12 views on each videos, and then I made a live stream. Now you can check his video, guys. Everyone knows about him. He's a real hero because he's a real hero. Please just follow him as well. Just we need this type of hero, guys. Now if you check his video, his Jerry Skeptic, you can put his YouTube channel on this video below as well. His name is Universe Gangster, because he's really doing something like gangster. He don't care about his life because China can anytime come and take his life, you know. He's giving testimony about what he saw about concentration camp, what he faced, what he witnessed. We need this type of guys. The world needs this type of justice believer, you know. I'm really glad he's one of our member of community. I'm really feel proud of him. That's why he made my day today, yesterday actually. And I want to discuss about it. If you guys watch his video, you guys will know what I'm talking about. So guys, thanks for you guys being here. On Mini, yesterday I was busy. I didn't open my game. Today I will check it, okay? Today I will check it. And thank you again, Mini. You don't have to, but you're just 13 years old. You need to, I mean, you need to spend more on yourself. Thank you so much. I mean, thanks for you being here and be a part of us and give me a gift as that skin. You don't have to, bro. But thank you so much, and I will save it forever for remember you. Yeah, Skeptic, you can put his link under below. Yes, Khudai Ashik doesn't matter. Just to follow on our Discord. Just to add us on Discord. We can contact anytime. We have a lot of discussion going on over there, and Jerry and other guys make this Discord awesome. There's a lot of function. We have different moderators for the music, for the game, and we have a debate section. We have introduction section. So no, I don't care about. I told you yesterday, the relationships is never measured by the money, right? Money with a relation is totally different thing. If you remember, when I married my wife, there's like I can't even afford a ring, right? But she still married me. This is like you cannot measure. But I eventually bought it for her. But you know, first I used like really cheap one. I told her like I will get another one, best one. I'm saving money. That time I gave her like a freaking ring for not the get married day, like before that day. There's like really cheap ring. I just used till I got my original one. So there's nothing. Yes. Nice. This is what I'm talking about. That Jerry, you can also put a comment section as well. That's gonna be help. Yo, help. Thank you guys, and thanks for Khudai Ashik. Stay tuned. That guy I was mentioning earlier, his name is he joined our chat called Uyghur astronaut. Someone probably remember him, and he's real hero. I really got admired from him, you know. So if he can do like that in China without caring about his life, his parents' life, his own life, so why be scared for, right? We have to keep fighting till my people get free from the concentration camp, from those labor camp, from the hospital waiting the people to slaughter and opens their stomach, gets their organ for business. We have to stop it. We have to boycott China, boycott made by slave, right? There's a lot of clothes, a lot of things made in China is actually made by slave. That guy called the Aliens, he made a video for that as well about the labor camp stuff. So please stay tuned in there. I told him, stay in touch, stay tuned. We need to keep contact you. We don't want to lose the contact from you. How's everyone's day? Today is awesome weather, if you can see. I mean, there's no sun and the temperature is really awesome. It's like pretty cold, you know. So maybe it's the best time to work out now. Yeah, when we buy something, guys, when we buy something, even from Amazon, eBay, just ask, is that made in China? Is that made in China? Simple question. Is that made in China? I saw a lot of good stuff on the Facebook, like it's commercial. There's a lot of advertisement for different cool stuff. I just leave a message. Is that made in China? If they say yes, I'll just disappear. If they say no, then I will keep contact. Don't buy anything made in China. What we can do is do not buy what made in China. We're not going to fight them. We don't go like bother them, harass anyone. We just do what we can do. Thanks for supporting Uyghurs, guys. So please don't buy made in China. Boycott made in China, boycott made by slave, guys. If they use some other people like Uyghurs as a slave, so are you still want to buy it? That guy, the guy, aliens, he gave a testimony. He know one girl who actually who actually working the factory as a slave like that. He said like they only have 1 day off, whole month only have 1 day off, and they only get like $200. 150 is like $200. 1,500 Chinese dollar is about $200. You can do nothing for $200. Okay, guys? I used to make like 200, just like 2 days. When I was modeling in China, I'm making 2 days to 1 day. But those slaves work 30 days with 1 day break. It means 29 days, 12 hours a day, 12 hours. If you have some break, if you want to go home to something, you have to ask break, right? You have to ask for the 1 day off. But they will cut off. They will cut $8 from your paycheck. It basically just slave. You cannot leave. You got locked up on camera, right? And 29 days straight, a month, and 12 hours a day. You work, you have to work. Basically everything. They're basically in jail, right? That's why boycott made in China, boycott made by slave, guys. All right, I'll start my workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
tımsak Meni jüttüp etme Anam tikken köyünü kömle herkes söküp etme Kessem mi ketey anamның hidini pırap En ahırkı nefsimde anamdın razılık sorap Men ağzımda tuğuldum Hayat sen bir tımsak İçten çıkı uruldum meycenim çenkemen sak 4 günlük dünyarımda okşaş gözlü karamana Anam telimi elikim menin yanı
Last 10.
Hayat sen bir
10
tımsak
more.
Men ağzımda tuğuldum Rıkabet zuvanımda kıştın çıkı uruldum Hayat sen bir tımsak Tınıkında çuğuldum Muhabbetsiz dünyarımda muhabbet kuruldum Kanımda yazdım nurgun şikayetle tılınga
I feel way better because of that guy made my day and the weather is good today. So Mini left, I think. I wanna. Yo, guys, yesterday's video, I got the most like button so far from all of the like workout, fitness video I got for this challenge. Yeah, this is at 12, right? Yeah, 12 video, not 11 video. Yesterday one, I got the most like. It's pretty good because I keep saying, and you guys doing good. So guys, keep going. I know you cannot leave a comment here because while I'm streaming, but since you guys all in our Discord channel, after the stream done, wow, this train is really long. Let's see. Ooh, those long. Next time I'll show you guys. I'll just bring the camera to here. Wow, this is a really long train. It's right there. I can only see the little section. It's coming on, coming on. Damn. Or some night, like midnight, I got scared, like, because it's too loud, you know. Different train has different voice and different speed. Someone is just whoop so fast, something like this. Maybe because of daytime, I don't know, it gets slow. And it's super long train. Wow, still there. Still not finishing cross. Damn. Wow, finally. Yo guys. Yes. Yeah, it is cargo train. I saw it's all like a different container. Oh, be right back. BRB, it means be right back. Okay, I saw it's something like bro or something. He calling me bro. Yeah. So guys, since everyone in our Discord channel as well, so when the stream done, we will post it in our Discord channel. Hey, this is today's video. Please guys, leave a comment and share with your friend. or give a like button. So you guys know what to do. Like button, share, and give a comment. Please, just please, for 40 days, let's do it. Let's see how many subscribers I can gain, so that we can reach or not to our goal, right? I said like I want to reach 2,000 subscribers, extra subscribers. Let's see if we can reach or not. Please do it, guys. Whew, the weather is cool today. Oh, you can still hear me? Nice, guys. Please stay tuned. Whew. Yo, guys, I don't know exactly how many pounds. I lost at least 10 pounds in this 12 days workout. For real. I'm eating less than before because I used to like eat a lot, man. Like eat random things like chips, ice cream, chocolate. My wife knows. Like, she bought all this chocolate, different chips. I used to eat all those, and now I stopped. And even my portion of my meal is getting decreased. So, and with the workout, but I'm eating very healthy, just the less oilty, you know. So I already lost 10 pounds, guys. That's awesome. If keep going like this, if I can keep going like this for 6 months or a year, it definitely will have a lot of improvement. But I don't want to go back to work, to be honest. I want to just stay here with you guys and make this as my career to help spend more time on Uyghur Man, so I can work out, I can help people, I can still survive. With this job, with the job I have so far, I make pretty decent amount of salary, but since I'm living a most expensive place in America, it's equal, it's same, you know. So please support me on this channel, then I can survive. I can move to some cheaper area just to focus on my job, focus on my fitness. I can be more stronger and I can do whatever I want for Uyghur Man, for my people. If I work 8 hours in the lab, yeah, I can do, but I can only do in the weekend. During the weekend, I may publish one video or live stream with you guys every Saturday one time. That's it. And the workout, maybe yes, maybe no, you know, I'm not sure, because the gym is closed and I have to spend like 2 hours on my road for commute and 8 hours in the company, so 10 hours gone. So do you think I still have like 2 hours workout like this? No, I don't think so. So this is a very good opportunity, best opportunity for me to grab, you know, to build my channel or my brand or my community. So guys, we need to work together, guys. So I need you guys, so let's do it. Now is the lower app. Yep. Oh, let's do it. Whew. Whew. Yeah, I like Discord as well. Since we're using Discord, I feel like there's a real community there, you know? Not like I used to know there's a lot of people subscribe. I have like more than 1,000 people subscribe, and but I don't know who they are, right? And I cannot direct contact with them. So now with the Discord, we can contact with them anytime we want. Like we know we can reach them out from certain way. That is a Discord. We should pull people to the Discord. That's how we grow our community. Now you can just share this video to the Discord as well, bro. You can just say, hey, here's our live stream, blah blah. Day 12, blah blah, something. Yeah, you know what to do. Yes. Yeah, I was thinking about the first subscribers, first Patreon. But except of this, Patreon is kind of like for the artist or like real people working out a lot for the content, you know, they're making like nice video or nice picture, like creative, a lot of things. Now what we so far is doing, I'm just doing this. I don't know what's the main, how we can attract people to the Patreon. What is our point to let people follow on Patreon, you know? Yeah, we should get some result. Maybe we just need a real protest. That's why I was mentioning my my caravan goal, you know, my nomadic life goal. I just want to get to like a removable life with my family, and I can protest anywhere I want, in different city, different place, parkings in some natural area, and then like some tourist attract areas. Do my protest over there. Woo. So plank is really help. Not travel vlog, it's like a freedom caravan or something like that. Freedom caravan or freedom trip, yeah, you can say that. Okay, let me do plank. The sun is coming up, guys. This is gonna be really hard. And the game become harder. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Ten seconds left. Guys, how was your day, skeptic? And another reason I wanna get rid of this big city is because of Chinese virus, man. Like my parents-in-law, they got a co-workers, whole family got infected, and another friend's friend, kind of my wife know her, she just passed away because of Chinese virus. She's young, like 30 something, and she died. It's like getting closer. Do you remember, like, it was like far away, right? It's from the China, it's from Wuhan. Now they released the virus to the world. Now it's 1, 2, 3 cases. Still, it's not affecting our life. It's then the city lockdown, people dying. We just heard people die, but we not really knows who died exactly by COVID, right? Now it's closing, come closing. Now it's friends, families, friends. Now who knows? We're gonna get die too, you know? We're gonna get virus too. Who knows? Only the God doesn't know what is gonna happen next. But what if? So I don't want to stay this crowd city area. I guess you living in New York City also get tired of that life too. So we need it. So people who has RV, who has like small van, as they're doing travel. Anyways, the city everywhere is locked down. You know, they're just traveling around, living some nature area because of this virus. I really want that, but I have to deal with something. I left. I have something going on. When I finish all those, I'll definitely do that type of lifestyle, man. To keep ourselves safe. I'll be right back. Yeah, I can't open my eyes. If it's sun come out, I can't open my eyes, guys. So I need my hat. Skeptic is from New York City. He lives in New York City. Yeah, freedom journey. And yes, that's what I want to say. And you know, like Rock, that superstar, Dwayne, or what is his name? Is Dwayne Rock or Rock Johnson? What is his name? His whole family this is his 2 daughters and his wife. He and all got positive. Yeah, it's getting hot. Thank you, Mini. And you are our best followers as well. You stay tuned all the time. That's enough for me, man. And I will check the gift you gave me. For real, you don't have to, and please don't do it anymore. I mean, we are as older, we should support you, not you give us any gift, you know. And I really want you to sleep early, get up early, go do your school things very well for now. Me and the skeptic was doing school very hard till I was 27, he was 25. School is kind of important. I mean, you don't have to like learn every single subject, but be good at certain things. If you like this, just do. Like there's a lot of like a different subject, right? Get one of the things you like and master it. That's really good for your health, future, bro. As a browser, I just recommend you. Just wish you have a gooder, a better, gooder, better, better, brighter future. Ooh, I'm sweating so hard. Yeah, get skill, get as much as skill you get. Or learn anything from online, like learn how to edit video, learn those how to manage, how to make websites. This type of thing is also very good to you to be a entrepreneur, stuff like that. And we need it. We can work together if you learn, make good video. And you're young, you're smart, so you can definitely do it. Wow. Oh yeah, learn how to code is even the more advanced, like skeptic is a coder. Oh, you have a pretty good 3 A's. Good.
çıkmayı görmez gözlerden aslan nazar. Hançla biçim dağarak kadine sarak düzgün ola jüt küçüm azar. Herabını bilemedi deydi o hareketi köprek bir
It means you are good at, you're smart.
Müşkilat takdimi safaya düşmek olgunan eyler havada. Sidim şaksızlık geçi durup gidin bedenim saraydı sayem cevada. Öpmüşüm köygende aklına gemisi aldı lavada. Geçidim en çeksiz yalnız hayran. Kül gidi çıktık yolarım çıktık hazır fakat ağrana yavru ceylan teşnalı hamla çıkmaydı eşkim. Kelden kırkasa ayran dertlerim misali canız tükep. Şundak tügeydi ahlı benden beyran. Yarıdar edim dalandı çıkan bilen şırıldı bulgan dişilik. Takdir gidedim zor oldu kılım asalamdır anlamay beylik. Bakış yamalda fadenler işçide meylenini gibi tartışaya. Keçini söydüm araklı bozu dünyada hem yok işmancılık. Ödeyem düşüp Uyghurs kabir yeni yadidam. Mahkumi bulup yataşa kaldım. Sırtımız içinde haber yadidamdım. Aldı bakalım yansa kaydedim. Şundular içimizden ülkeden.
30. The sun is really hot now. Whew. Step by step, I'll add the other muscle part, like the back, like my leg. Just with on this carpet, plus that dumbbell. Yeah, let's go back workout. Let me finish my second plank. Whew, guys. Thanks for you guys stay tuned with me. You guys is the one really motivating me. Nice. Yeah. You should not, huh? No, I mean, we didn't. We're not talking about school, we're talking about knowledge and skill. But develop yourself. I told you, like, you have to improve yourself every day, right? Yeah, you have a long way to go, so as older people, we kind of give you little advice. You know, this is good, that is good, you know, because me personally waste a lot of time. So I kind of regret. So even I'm 30 years old, I'm trying to do something. I try to catch up. I try to get that skill. I try to learn, you know. So I don't want you to go like the wrong way and find like waste your time as well. But I just want to point for you which is good, which is bad, you know, for your future. Why are we talking about school? No one likes school, I know. Yeah, started. Second left. 20-second. Ten-second left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, guys, this plank is like super different workout. I mean, you only do 1 minute, but it's paying your ass. It's like at the end, your whole body is shaking, you know. And it's very efficient, you know what I'm saying? Like if you don't, before you sleep, you just do like 4 sets and maximize your time and do 4 sets. How long time it's gonna take? It's maximum gonna take like 10 minutes. But it's super efficient, guys, for lose weight, okay? Actually, everyone has their own app. Maybe big, maybe small, but everyone have a little bit because you have to get out, you have to do something. You have that ab muscle, abdominal muscle, but it's covered by the body fat under your skin, right? So this one plank is help you get rid of that part of muscle. No, get rid of that part of fat. So core, this area, belly. So it helps you burn that fat, so your muscle, your ab gonna come out. And you get some water. Give me a second. Wow. Give me the bell. Wow. Justice believer. Justice believer means we believe justice, you know. We as a person, we as a group of people, we believe justice. But of course, nowadays, justice not dominating the world, the evil dominating the world. But even though we are as kind of minority, but we believe justice is gonna win eventually. Whatever is right is gonna be win eventually. The evil gonna get beat up eventually. So for that, we as a justice believer, we have to be strong. We have to be, like he said, wills. We have to have wills. We have to have knowledge, right? Like Skeptic said, very correct. And how we could do it? We have to keep improve ourselves every day, right? Physically, mentally. Mentally means you have to study, you have to keep improve, you have to learn different skill, right? That's how we improve ourselves. So that we justice believers can win eventually. If you're too weak, right? You believe justice, but you're too weak. How you can support the justice? You don't have enough voice, right? You don't even have a voice to speak out. Like us right now, we're not strong, but we are a certain community. But we don't have enough people can listen our voice. There's no enough people can hear what's going on to those people who suffering in my land. But if we're strong, if we grow up, we grow our community bigger, then as a justice believer, we are gonna eventually win this game over the evil. That's who we are, meaning. So for that, we need to strong ourselves. We don't do nasty things. We help people. Hold on a second. Why Why is this? Yeah, that's what justice believer do. But when you are too weak, if you don't improve your time, yourself, if you're always wasting your time, no matter what you believe, you're just a loser, you know what I'm saying? You can't win anything. But if you're strong, justice will be justice. You can make justice happen. So it's very important to grow this channel, guys. And it's well, since we have a good will, the God support who has a good will. We never have a dream for like, oh, enjoy life, become a, enjoy, get a, you know, will see life. Of course you have to be strong with the will, but we're not saying we want to enjoy that. We are using that for helping people grow our justice believers group. We keep investing on this till the world turns to justice. I'm not talking like as a Uyghur man, and channel means Uyghur Man. Basically, I want to save my people from evils. Like the guy, if you check the aliens video I mentioned earlier, you will know what I'm saying. Or check out my other video, what happened to my people. There's no justice because justice believer like us are too weak. We cannot do anything. We just complain. It's not gonna help. You need to work. Please don't ask me tornado kick anymore, man. I'm not good at it at all. And Mini, you are our kind of younger brother, you know? You are part of our community, so that's what we said. We're not trying to target you on anything. We really love you, that's why we love each other, that's why we try to motivate each other. I called skeptic as well. Bro, sleep early tonight, get up early tomorrow, okay? Blah blah. You know, I do it for the dean too. That's what we help each other. If you hang out with a friend who pull you back, oh, let's do it, let's go party, let's have fun, let's go drink, let's smoke, let's do that, let's do some other things, you know? Those are not good friends. Those are not a friend of people which help you improve. We don't want that. We want you come here to absorb something for better be yourself. So I put that code here. The limitation is only your imagination. So never think you cannot do anything. Oh, you cannot do things. Oh, it's hard for you. Oh, that's no way. It's impossible. No way. If you think you can do it, if you can imagine you can do it, you can be, you will definitely can reach that goal. So that's why we're here. That's the purpose for this channel. Every channel has their niche, has their theme, right? That's what's the same and the niche for this channel. So I was a fat dude. I was like before I started this challenge, I was like 243 pounds, no, 46 pounds, 246 pounds, right? But I believe I can be around 200 pounds. I believe I can be around at least 210, this much. I know with my height and my experience, I believe I can. So I didn't, instead of, okay, I don't care, I don't want to work out, I just want to chill. I believe I myself, after this certain challenge, 2 hours workout like this, I can be better. So I imagine I can get a better shape, better health after I do the challenge. But I know there's a hard time to do, like 40 days, every day, 2 hours, and you're gonna have pressure, you have to have recover, you gotta get injured like my foot now. So, but I can imagine, I believe, I can visualize, oh, myself in the nice shape, like before I had, you know? So I'm putting the effort. So for you too, meaning you're in school time, perfect time, you have a lot of classmates, blah blah, you have a good friends, bad friends who can help you, someone can help you improve, someone will pull you back. So find a good friend, hang out, and let yourself be a better student, better people, better son, all the time. You will grow up very soon. After a couple of years, you will be adult. You will be real men. Then, you know, your parents, your grandma, or whoever don't care about you. Your life, you are the person, get whatever, everything is from your effort, your skill. So, the future couple of years, we have to stay tuned. If you listen our advice, we're definitely gonna have a better future than the listens those other friends' advice. So, you know, that's the point of this challenge, this channel. Okay, guys. I think I'm working out my tongue too. Like while I'm talking too much, so my tongue's also doing a lot of workout. then my body. Yes. What you imagine yourself in? Okay, now you're teenager. One day you will be 20, you will be 30, right? What do you imagine yourself at that time? Are you imagine you a great person, great son, a great adult who contributing to society, you know, who living good life? Or you imagining yourself like always struggle. Oh, I have to do that. I can't do that. I have to pay my rent. Oh, I have to do that. I need to looking for a girlfriend. People don't like me. You know, what kind of person you imagining yourself? So that is very important. To be honest, when I was a kid, I always believe I'm special. Really. I even told my sister, I said, when I was a kid, I was like, you are different. I'm different than anyone. I'm not saying I'm good. I just feel like my mind is like, my soul is like different than other Uyghurs. That's why every time, like, when the time to make good, like an important decision, like go to school or like when I came to the United States, people don't understand like how you can go do master. You're 25 years old, like, you know. Like a lot of people don't understand when I make a decision, when I choose something. I just wanna, because of that feeling, that special, that different feeling, made me has a different lives than most of the Uyghurs. The Uyghurs in lockdown, got locked down in China. Uyghurs are in concentration camp. They're dying for real. Imagine there's a body, Uyghurs body. Chinese are cutting their stomach, opening their stomach, and then gets a liver. Okay, 500,000 liver, $2 million. This okay, go next one. Next one is like factory chain. They're doing. My people, that's me, my brother, my sister, my, you know, my friend. But I am here. That's why I feel so thankful. So I need to keep doing, keep feeling special, and find my goal to do. Keep improving ourselves daily. At least a little bit like this. Does that make sense, Minnie? Maybe too much for you, I know you. But any question, if you struggle, if you have problem, ask Jerry, ask a skeptic, ask me. We all your brother. We're here for improve, help each other improve. So ask us, stay tuned. Okay, my third set of my approach. My app is already sour, but I have to do it. That's why it's 2 hours workout challenge. You have to keep going. UyghurMan. 20 left. Don't quit, keep going. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Wow. 15 left. 3, 4. Ten left. Oh, 5 left. Oh. Dil-I, yeah, Dil-I. You remember her name, huh, Minnie? I'm glad. That's good. Just maybe not like me. You might be better person, way better person. Keep imagining there's no limitation. That's your limitation. You just don't stopping like me. You know, you should say, oh, even better. I want to be person like whoever you inspire, like, you know, you can be. If you want to be president, you have to imagine it. You know, you can be the president. There's nothing wrong. So that's your imagination. Dil-I is awesome. Dil-I is awesome. Dil-I is super good. Her name is Dil.
emas bulay deb içip ketimen dertlerim var üzümce Mindep çapa tatkan anam görünmeydi küzümge Pulum tüksü pırtılfın püspırdıgan akvan var
Little I means moon, you know, moon, beautiful moon. Dil means heart, like your insert, your internal feeling. So moon heart, kind of pure heart, something like that. Yes, I want to know what is your wish and your imagination, where you find yourself in after 10 years. You know? Vaxtımda iştalırım yırtız anam yamak verdi Hazır mən yanına giymən anam özü yamak keydi Bilmən anam bazarda çık öğlen bunu işmeydi Mən də bir yarmasında keç demeyi işleydi Anı mən seni söyləməndə ilk bakmadım bir Come United States for school in the future if you want. We are here for you. So Anam deydi balam yırakta misafir sen yaxşıya Tanımırıp kaldı arkamdan konu bu güzel ilişkide Poyuzga çıktım erkin buldum bilindi dünya azade Dikim bilmeydim anam öyge kayıp getkende piyade Yakı yurtta misafir emez kanda kötüdü küllürüm Akşamlar hem KTV daşıdek çıkıdı ünlürüm Her isil ayrım hallardı men anam gözümge görünmeydi Canım anam telenikçilik olsam yoksuzluk bana bilinmeydi Könlümde katkı bir nida ba oğlumla ne keçirimla There's something in my shoes like a needle. I saw. Yeah, I need to use tools to pull it out. Guys, I need to... CSGO knife is that? I know. When I was kids, I always think about that type of stuff too. But you will feel, yeah. But yeah, it's short-term goals, short-term wish, long-term wish. Yeah, I understand. So if you want, you can get it. You definitely can get it. But you can get way more than that. See, one knife in the game is nothing for you. Your limitation can be way bigger than that. You definitely can get it. I believe you. Wow. Wow, it's like a needle in my shoes. I just pull it out. Okay, guys, getting super hot, guys. I was really lucky earlier. It was nice, cool temperature. Now it's super hot. Let's keep working out my arm. Yes, ya Allah. Okay. All right, it's your time, skeptic. What is your imagination? What is your short-term goal, long-term goal? What you find yourself in 5 years? Where you find yourself in 5 years, like skeptic and as a dean. I wish everyone can reply this question. I don't know who else in here. That is very good ones, Adin. You wish Uyghurs. Such a nice person you are. Yeah. Meaning, I got scared many times too. At least you find out he's a scammer. I am the guy, I'm the victim. I got a couple times scammed. So, yeah, where you find yourself in 5 years, in your imagination, where you at? What do you want? You know, you have to keep motivate yourself to imagine it. Make that picture in your mind. You know, it's like you're almost there. Like you can see yourself happy or like where? What you doing in 5 years? Please, everyone. And don't forget, click the like button if you guys did not. Let me know you guys did or not. Oh, I didn't see any like button so far. For me, I can imagine at the end of this challenge, 40 days challenge, I have at least 20 people watching my YouTube stream. That's my short-term imagination. At least 20%. Now we have 5, 6. We're around 5, 6, right? But we are growing our channel. As long as we keep doing consistently, it will be there. At least 20 people watching when I am doing this. And the Twitch as well. You guys will manage my Twitch too. Woo. So skeptic, where you find yourself? I think only you didn't reply. Hot, hot, hot. Skeptic. Skeptic, I didn't see. No, I don't have a bench. I don't have a bench for workout. And I don't want that because I try to minimize the things I have because I'm gonna move out soon from this house. I don't want a lot of big things, especially like furniture, things like that. It's too heavy to move, and if you want to sell, you will like sell really like lose your money almost. You know, if you buy $100, you will sell like $10. So I don't want to buy anything till I move to new place. Skeptic disappear. Skeptic not here. Maybe he will back later. I don't have a bench here. I don't have a. I was planning to buy a bench and then one like punching bag, but it's all those too heavy things. It's so much when I move. So maybe next move, if I move somewhere, maybe not even this state. I need a long way to drive, and I need it as packed as possible. Did you guys enjoy your food, Minnie? Enjoy. Eat healthy. Ugh. so hot. One minute plank. No, not 1 minute. 45. 65-second plank. Time. What did we start? Second left. Ten seconds left. Yes. Woo. Hot, hot, hot. So 30 minutes. 30 minutes left. I have a quarter left. I finished 3/4 of my workout today. Now I will do my arm. One more arm. Bicep workout. Wow. Super good. Sweating pretty good. when the weather hot, it's good for you to sweat a lot, but just soak your energy. You can't open your eyes, and it's so hard when, like, it's gonna make you dizzy easily. I have after I finish by this bicep workout, so I'm finished. It means I finished 3/4. Akan kargay. Oh. 5, 6, 7, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Mini is good guy. Mini is so nice, funny dude. I like him. I will finish the last set of my arm. I don't want my whole arm like get cooled down and then do this last set. Actually, if you want to work out your arm, you have to just continually, just like 1 minute maximum rest and do the second set and third set like that. So I will finish my last set of my bicep workout, then back to my ab plank, and might be finished by that way. Let's do it.
gece uzunlu vakit sürüp bakmadan geçen yapsın yokluğu. Ödüne bir karşılaştım. Şimdi nakşibendiğine etmişim ya ki kendisini. Hep bir çıkarıp takdirimi kondap olmamış. Güzelmin okulu.
Alright. Dumbbells. Finish. Dumbbell time is gone for today. And last. Myself, in 5 years, I'll bring my family back to my original family, Uyghurstan, with this flag. This flag is still gonna raise on my land, but name gonna be Uyghurstan. That's what I see myself in 5 years. With my kids, my wife, with my parents, with my sister. That's why I'm fighting for, that's why I am imagining for, that's why I'm dreaming for. That's what I'm dreaming for. I dreamed this exactly, so I believe that. Inshallah. Let's do it. 40, lower ab crunch. Let's do it. So hot, guys. Wow, I can feel my abs like stretching out, pulling out. Woo! Wow, the sound make me feel like I'm like military training. Wow. 10 left, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't quit. Keep going. Give yourself power. Give me some power, guys.
Tüm tas geçe.
tügümez oy fikir ilgide xiyal dengizige çöktüm. Meynetçilik tansızlık kaplagan etrafımda hakikat koynuğu möktüm. Kulakçı tanışıgış, ağlanmakçı klasik müzika. Asfaltı kümüş üçün zaboy qaraq, bengi dava tamakka. Her qıtım düşenmek tez, turmuşqı deyiş öğrendim bopdula. Ötken keşkenni qoypırıp ettim vaqt özünün ixtiyarıga. Qiyin günde illiqlik ata qılgan birovni eski kirgizmay uçtum tut. Meydanga urup işengenlerin vaqti kelsa diyelmeydi kel qolumni tut. Külümsirash ichida reallikni o'chirib azobni olaman asga. Xo'shalliqlar aro qiqirsammo dil yaramni saqlatmoq tasga. Hech bir harorat illatolmaydi vujudga bu so'g'ir tuyg'u.
So hot, guys. My neck is burning, guys. It's like military training for real. And I will do a 30 lower ab lift, lower ab workout, which is leg lift. I'll try to myself straight my leg, not bend, you know. So the more straight you do, the harder you will. So let's do it. But I have to cover the sun. Oh, it's so hurt my eyes. Okay. Okay.
Şus mijazımda özgertmek bolup tapalmadım çare amalını. Köp işlarda ketkizip ettim, veslik yetkizalmay arzuyumun armanını. Reallik şu. İlgiri men esirmez bolgan. Yuturup koyup bulumni tamak yeyişim tez olgan. Biroq yanıla ahırda tapdım akıl uşumni. Koyup bir vettim baxtimni tapdap eski solangan kuşumni. Başkalarga toyunish arqılık erişenmeyse özün kütken baxtga. Öz haslığı yok padişah bir malal oldura alamdı altın taqtga. Her kişinin ko'ngligidek muhabbet hikoyasi yozishini aytasiz. Chunki yolg'onchilikcha ko'p yonda ko'nglimi bir-biridan tas. Hatto oxiri qaynab ketadi o'zida kiralik shakvani sorun. Tuyuq yo'lga boshlab kirib yoshlig'ini xazon qildi o'zim qo'yim. Bolliqdagi kunlar bo'lsin patqoq pokizida aslima. Yuz berib o'tgan qator maydonchilikka boshqasi bo'lmayma taslima. Uzun so'zilgan tunlar. Juftlikning bir qo'yishidir. Yoki birning yosh to'kkan holda yana biri bo'lgan seg'inishidir.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Woo! I was happy earlier. I was like, oh, such a nice weather today. No sun now.
Güzel dünya, güzel hislenip kalpni de katladı men çapkanda pistenim eskilikim cayida hoşallıkım yitik kısmet rayida oka bütün füdük nagak demlerde zarrica hoşallık peyzine dep tölemeli huzurumga kütük salla koyumga turmuş gelip haydedi hayatta tufun kısam ölüm ilip beydedi çankadım boğuz kurup sadakitim işkimeydedi
I don't want to talk about this virus, Chinese virus anymore. Even though we don't talk, it's everywhere now, so F that. Just pray. What we can do.
Sevençe tellerde, tellerde bulup nincan her ıssız sokaklara günüp koyup kettim. Ağını tapkanda cenimni bereydiysem ata anam tügep kaldı kümüp koyup kettim. Kaderim pakal, bolmagaşka kemdi kem. Yaşı könglimge meni yaman demdiken. Atam puta ağırık anamın bağırı. Hayatga suvalım atanam.
I'm not sure it will gone, this virus will gone or I don't even hope, have a hope about the vaccine. I mean, I'm pretty negative on this virus, to be honest, but because the evil is there. This is just the speed from the evil. This virus is speed from the evil. If you don't kill the evil, the speed, you can speed anytime. So we have to finish the evil, finish the source of this virus. Then we might can end this virus stuff. But how do you know? After this virus, there's no another virus. This is COVID-19, right? COVID-20 come, COVID-21 come. As long as they are, that Chinese Communist Party is over there, so they have a bunch of deadly virus in their lab. They can release one by one if they want, like they did for this one. Ooh, guys, 12 minutes left. COVID. It's so obvious Chinese virus is COVID. COVID-19. Beautiful scientific name, huh? But not clear enough for us. It has to be China. CCP virus. Everyone knows it's CCP virus. China's virus. Not Taiwan virus. It's mainland China's virus. Super obvious. Oh, I have 1 minute 65-second plank left. Then I will relax, slowly move for 10 minutes and done. Woo! Hot, hot, hot! Let me open my stopwatch. Second left. Gosh, so pain.
Yazgının kelepede yorguma, kalemge ilhamını zorlaparsan toğruma. Cansız kafiyeler ahanda sızlattı urguma. Nimkeş kafiyeler tekrarsan kafiyeси urguma. Vanire tuğuna, kemet pekanın hatakina da tuğrisi.
Damn, guys. Where is it? Paying my ass. Ooh.
I can't
Beans, yeah. I know it's very common in certain countries, but it is healthy though. Nice. You hit 400 subscribers. That's great. How long time it takes you to hit 400? Ring. I will subscribe you now. Streamlab, thanks for subscribing. Ring. Ah. Ring, did you join our Discord? Did you join our Discord community? I'm done with today's workout, guys. I'm done with all. But I will stay here for a little bit. Skeptic might actually, I just saw like my subscriber decreased, and I saw rank can come back, so it's added back. I don't know, my subscribers decreasing, but I know people is adding me. Maybe old subscribers, like they feel like I'm not talking too much politics anymore, only workout things. That's why maybe it's just unsubscribing. But I'm rebuilding our community. First, I have like more than almost like 2,000 subscribers, but I don't know who are them. You know, like we don't talk that much. We don't have a chance. I just only upload video. That's it. Now I want to build the real community, real person. I want to talk. I want to know from the Discord. You know, so that's why the Discord has the introductions part. We have a chatting section. We will discuss daily things. We will share the latest news about what's going on. So, Discord is very helpful. And at the same time, we will build Twitch and Twitter too. So, let's follow Rink's channel as well. Nice. Ah, yo guys, my neck is super burning. 5 minutes left. Okay, let's do it. 5 minutes. Ah, guys. Is Rink is our Discord channel or not? Because there's a couple guys in Discord. I don't know who are them, you know. So maybe they have different name on YouTube, so that's why I'm asking. Yo guys, don't forget, give a like button and share the video. Leave a comment. Leave a comment, please. I feel like my ab, no, my belly is not that heavy. I used to, if I touch, I can move it with my hand. I still can, but it's not that big anymore. Like, because I lost more than 10 pounds already, right? All Already lost 10 pounds. That's so cool. Nice, nice, nice. Our new member. Welcome, welcome, Rank. I don't think he's here now, but welcome him. And stay active on Discord if you guys have time. And a mini. Later I will check the skin you send me as a gift. I will appreciate again. Thank you so much. I will definitely keep it all the time. I do not to give away. I don't give anyone about that. That Eagle Desert you gave me. I'll keep all the time. Oh, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes left. I can't wait. I can't wait to go and drink something cool. Maybe my watermelon smoothie. I'm really thirsty now. I wish my left feet, because I'm moving, I didn't really give it like 2 or 3 days relax. So my feet is like, left feet is not good for, never like fully recovered. Slowly pick up my flag, my beautiful flag. We're gonna use it in the future. I will step in my land like this again, like Superman. I will step in to my land with this, just like that. So keep it. Keep it. Make sure it's clean, neat, no wrinkle on it. My wife is good for cleaning and iron for me all the time. Thanks her again. Yeah, 49 seconds left. I think Rink is not here now. Oh, Rink is here. Welcome, Rink, welcome. And we will see you in Discord, guys. Let's talk in Discord. And I will make a thumbnail for this video and I post it on the Discord, okay guys? Thanks for everyone. Stay tuned again. Oh, Khudaya Ashik is also here. Yeah, we had a new member. Yes. But please stay tuned next time. And don't forget, after I'm done, leave a message, leave a content, like it's anything. Say, hey, you did a good job today, or anything as a comment, guys. That's what we need for 2 hours. Be it like talk. Eventually, if you want to support myself, just give me a like button and leave a comment after this done. Okay, guys? Thank you, thank you. And we will discuss. And the Khudaya Ashik, Rink already joined Discord. Please, you join too. And let me know you're Khudaya Ashik in Discord, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys tomorrow.